class, we're going to be learning about stomata today in the class. And we're going to be learning about what is an opened stomata, a closed stomata, and transpiration, and things that goes on during transpiration. We're also going to be drawing and coloring the diagram of a stomata, and we're going to be writing opened or closed. So here, let's take a look. Can we say it together? Stomata, stomata. Let's repeat after me. Stomata, stomata, stomata. So let's take a look at this picture. This first picture. We have an opened stomata. Right? We have an open stomata. We can see it's opened here, right? We have 3 opened stomatas, right? 1, 2, 3 open stomatas. Next, we have a closed stomatas. We have closed ones. We see 1, 2, 3. 3 closed stomatas. And when they open, you can see the mouth. It almost looks like a mouth that's opened. When we see it closed, you see a closed stomata, like the mouth is closed. So now we know opened stomata, and we see closed stomata. So let's take a look of where is the location of the stomata. The stomata is under the leaf, under the leaf, under the leaf. So, for a plant or a tree, it's normally under the leaf. There is one thing that sometimes is on top, but most plants, it's under, right? Under. So, the stomata is under the leaf. So, let's see. When the stomata opens, so it's an opened stomata. When it opens, it lets go of H2O. What is H2O? Right? H2O is equal to, do we know? Water. So transpiration is when water leaves the stomata. Transpiration is when water leaves the stomata. That's what transpiration means. Transpiration. So let me write that down for you. Transpiration is when water leaves the plant through the stomata. So So that's what transpiration means. Right? Transpiration. Let's take a look at exceptions. Other plants that have the stomata. The stomata is normally under the leaf. Under the leaf. But if it's an aquatic plant means water. A plant in water. A plant in water, like this. If it's an aquatic plant, the stomata is not under, right? Not under. It's on top. On top. The stomata is on top. Stomata is on top of the leaf. For aquatic plants, the stomata is on top of the leaf. If it's a land plant, the ones on the ground, the stomata is under the leaf. Under the leaf. Let's open to our worksheet. Take out the worksheet that I made for you guys. Write your name, your class, and your class number. All right, make sure to write your name, your class /1 or /2, and your class number. Most important part is your name. You can also write your nickname, okay? So it says to please label, color, and name if it's open stomata or closed stomata. So we're going to take a look at this one first. So take a look at your worksheet. We have the same picture right here. So what is this? What is this, right? This is a stomata, right? A stomata. So we're going to write stomata. But what kind of stomata? Is it opened or closed? Opened or closed? Opened or closed? What do we think? Yes, that is correct. This is an opened stomata. Opened stomata. Right? That's an opened stomata. Next, we see two arrows pointing at the mouth, right? We see two arrows. Let me draw those out. We have one pointing here, and we have one pointing there, right? What do we call that? On the side, this is called guard cell. Guard cell, right? We're going to write guard cell, right? We're going to write guard cell. Guard cell. For those two. And for the middle, this middle part right here, we're going to call that the stomata. The stomata. All right? So this part right here, stomata. And these two right here, all right? these two, guard cell, right? This is the guard cell, right? Guard cell. It's the guard cell. We have two of them. 1, 2. Those are the guard cells, right? Guard cell. Can we say it together, these words? Stomata, guard cell. And this whole thing is opened stomata. Opened stomata. You see how it's opened right there, right? It's opened. So we can pretty much color everything green if we need to color. So after we finish labeling, we're going to color it green. We can color it green on the outside. Or we can color it green like there. Color green. There we go, color green. On the inside, we can color it a lighter green. This is green as well. Don't worry about that. We can color it a little bit of orange here. All right, there we go. And here we can color a little bit of orange in these circles. And the rest we'll color green. So make sure you color that in. And color these small things. A little bit of blue. And green for the rest. I'm just doing this quickly. But take your time. To color it. All right. And orange for the rest. Here we go. Rest green. We're gonna leave that empty or blank, right? Call this green, green, orange here, orange here. All right, and a little. All right, next one, we're going to take a look at this. And here, what is this? Is this opened or closed? Open or closed? Open or closed? Here, we're going to write this is a closed stomata. So this is a closed stomata. And we see it's pointing to one of these small things here. All these things are called chloroplast. Chloroplast, right? Chloroplast, right? Chloroplast. And we're going to do the same. We're going to color again, okay? We're going to color the same way. Green for the outside parts. Same like before, all right? You're gonna color green. And this part is closed now, so this is a closed stomata. So you're all gonna color it in, color, color, color. So make sure you color nice and neat, not like me, but color. It's a little bit hard to color to show how to do this. But color, color, color. Color with the same colors. We're gonna do a bit of orange here on the out for these circles. Okay. And then blue for these ones without the dot. Okay, so make sure you color. And then when you're done, that should be all today. And good job learning about opened stomatas and closed stomatas and transpiration. Transpiration.